Continue on North Loop West, past East TC Jester and West TC Jester. As you approach the I-10 entrance ramp, position yourself in the left lane. Merge onto I-10, activate your left turn signal, and carefully move one lane to the left. Keep an eye out for the sign, Exit 11, I-10 East and West. Stay in this lane. Exit 11 is crucial. Missing it means adding 5 to 15 minutes to your trip. Trust me, you don't want that detour. Did you know that Exit 11 is one of Houston's longest on-ramps? Stretching 1.5 miles alongside I-10, it eliminates a bottleneck at the I-10 interchange. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to I-10. Safe travels as you head east toward downtown Houston or west to Katy.